Can you believe how popular this viral video is online? AI cat channels like Motion and AI Cat Story are blowing up the internet with videos like the one you just watched, raking in millions of views and making thousands of dollars monthly through the TikTok Creator Fund and YouTube Partner Program. You wouldn't believe how easy it is to create these videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to creating your very own AI cat videos that can go viral. Stick around because you don't want to miss out on this lucrative niche. Step 1. AI image prompt generation with Chat GPT. Let's kick things off with Chat GPT to generate the story and image prompts for our video. The prompt we'll use is, I want to create a TikTok video about cats with a story told through AI generated images and cat sounds. The story should be about a cat that is easygoing during school hours in a cat school, but after school he goes after school bullies with vengeance like a ninja warrior. The prompt goes on, and it also includes further parameters like please provide a story and detailed prompt for generating images that depict the scene in the story. So the full prompt will be in the description box below for you to use. So you click enter and let's wait for a few seconds. And there we go. Our story and image prompts are ready. So this step helps us map out the story. Step 2. Image generation on Ideogram AI. Next, we need to generate the images using Ideogram AI. So you visit the website, you can explore the page for inspirations. You see different types of already created images, or you could just go ahead to copy and paste the prompts from ChatGPT directly into the box. So we'll start with our first prompt. Then you set the aspect ratio to 9.16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You adjust any additional settings and hit generate. You'll get 4 options for each prompt. Download your chosen images and repeat this process until you have all the necessary images for your video. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm know you enjoyed this content and suggest it to others who might benefit from it too. And our final step in this process is editing our video in CapCut. Now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. Upload your images and arrange them in the correct order to tell the story. The default timing for each image is set to either 3 seconds or 5 seconds, but you'll want to shorten this to keep viewers engaged. So go ahead to add animations to your images. CapCut offers a variety of options, so play around to see what fits your video theme. Next, add transitions between the images for smoother flow and a bit of visual effects for extra flair. I also like to add effects to my video. It just helps give it an extra flair. CapCut offers a variety of options, so like I said earlier, just play around with it to get a better feel of it and know which better suits the theme of your video. Next, we'll add audio to our video. So CapCut has an extensive library that you can search for your required video from, or you can use Pixabay for free music and sound effects. As a matter of fact, Pixabay offers over 4 million royalty-free images, videos, illustrations, vector, music, and sound effects, perfect for finding unique visuals or add flares to your videos. So be sure to check it out. So we'll just go ahead to select our music and sound effects from CapCut library. Don't forget to add new sounds where necessary for that authentic touch. So once you're satisfied, you preview your video to ensure everything is in order. before downloading it. If you want to take your video a step further, consider animating your images with Luma Labs Dream Machine. I've created several videos on my channel about how to use Luma Labs, which you can check out by clicking the card above or in the description box below. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Let me know in the comments what video you'd like me to create next. Until then, happy